A beautiful and deadly natural phenomenon, lightning is simply a sudden, electrostatic discharge, a spark, or flash, as charged regions in the atmosphere. Lightning discharge that can affect the way it is this rise to different types of lightning. In cloud-to-ground lightning, a channel of negative charge, called a stepped leader, will zigzag downward in a forked pattern, hence it is sometimes called forked lightning. This stepped leader is invisible to the human eye, and travels to the ground in a millisecond. Ground to cloud, or upward moving lightning, is a discharge between cloud and ground initiated by an upward moving leader originating from an object on the ground. Cloud to air. This refers to a discharge that jumps from a cloud into clear air and terminates abruptly. Indeed, CG lightning contains CA lightning via the branches that extend from the main channel into the mid-air. Cloud to cloud. Although rare, lightning can also travel from one cloud to another. Spider lightning refers to long, horizontal moving flashes often seen on the underside of stratiform clouds. Positive cloud-to-ground lightning strikes are typically very bright and can be identified by their distinct lack of branching near the ground. Negative CG lightning strikes can be identified by their distinctive downward branching. Intra-cloud lightning. This is the most common type of discharge and refers to lightning embedded within a single storm cloud which jumps between different charge regions in the cloud. Sheet lightning. It is a term used to describe clouds illuminated by a lightning discharge where the actual lightning channel is either inside the clouds or below the horizon.
something.
Yeah.